I was never the office desk kind of guy. I always wanted to work with machinery one day. Even as a little child, I loved taking things apart. To study them, and sometimes even improve them. Today, maintaining machinery is my job. Only now, I have the better tools. The smell. The sound. The feeling of everything working flawlessly together. That's what it's all about. If my 15 years working with machinery has taught me anything, it is, if you are good to them, they will be good to you. And I should know. I make sure that our paper machine always runs smoothly at 1,900 meters per minute.